you want to own parts of MTN Ghana and earn from their success. In today's video, I'm going to give you 2 ways you can invest in MTN stocks or shares in Ghana. Okay, so the first thing you need to know is stock is a huge amount of money in MTN company. Okay, so if you want to buy a stock in MTN company, the money that you use it to invest in MTN company is shares. Okay, so if you buy stock from MTN company, you become a shareholder and part of their company. Okay, so you become a part of their company. So if MTN Ghana work very hard and get profits at the end of the day, they are going to pay you a dividend on the money that you invest in their company. And when the MTN company did not perform well at the end of the day, you won't get anything from it. Okay, so from stock, either you earn something or you lose interest. Okay, so that's it. And there are 2 ways you can buy stock here in Ghana. Okay, in your mobile money wallet, or you open a brokerage account. So I will start from Momo. Okay, so if you want to buy the stock through your Momo, okay, what you have to do is you dial *170# and then choose option 5. When you choose option 5, then you select option 4. Option 4, what was there is stock or trade shares. Then you select option 4. After that, then you select MTN Ghana share and then choose buy share. Okay, when you do that, then they will ask you to enter the amount of shares or amount of money you want to invest. Okay, then you type the amount of money you want to invest or the amount of shares you want to buy. Okay, then confirm your transaction by entering your Momo PIN. They will tell you to enter your Momo PIN and then you receive SMS when you done it successfully. Okay, and if you doesn't have accounts on your phone, as when you didn't register any account and then you try to buy the shares, okay, they will send you a message and then you follow the process and then you follow the steps and then you open accounts on your phone and then you use it to buy your shares. And there are other way around also, you can use it to buy your shares without your Momo. Okay, so if you don't want to buy the shares on your Momo wallet, you can go to brokers, data brokers. They will open a brokerage account for you. Okay, so when you go there, what you have to do is when you are going, make sure to take your Ghana card. Driving, if you have a driving license, it's acceptable. You can take your Ghana card, driving license, okay, because they will create accounts for you. Okay, and after that, they will ask you the amount of money you want to invest in MTN, and make sure that when the person is giving you the official bank account, don't give his or personal bank account. Don't allow it. Okay, let a person give you the company number, the company bank account. Okay, so you deposit and then they will do everything for you. You won't give the money to the person one on one. No. Okay, when you open your brokerage account, they will ask you how much you want to invest. Then you told them, and then after that, they will give you the company bank account, and then you deposit your money, and then they use it to invest in MTN stock for you. They will use it to buy the stock or shares for you. Okay, so those people, okay, government has give them a license. Okay, so there are some in Kumasi. We have data bank brokers. Their location in Kumasi, Edum, near Vodafone office, and then we have Stanbic Security Ghana, and then their location is in Accra, and then we have IC Security Limited. They are also in Accra. So all these people, government has give them license. You can visit them and then create your brokerage account and then invest your money on MTN. Okay, if you don't want any data brokers to create any account for you, then you can also do it on your phone, as I already said it. Okay, so this is how to invest in MTN stock in Ghana here. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and then subscribe. Okay, if you have any comments, also leave it on comment down below. Thank you for watching it, and I see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips like this. Okay.